Hi, my name is Bahadur Ahmedov. Welcome to the course of Probability and Statistics. In this video lecture, we're going to discuss a problem about the expected value. And I found this problem very interesting because it reveals some structural things about the expected value. So the problem states that there are 120 students are going to the symphonic performance, and they are distributed into the three buses in the following way. So the first bus has 36 students, the second bus has 40 students, and third bus has 44 students. So when the buses arrives, so we put all the 120 students in one row. 120 students are put in one row, and we are going to choose one of the students at random. Choose at random. Let X is going to be denote the number of the students on the bus of that randomly chosen student. So for example, if this randomly chosen student is from the first bus, then X is going to take 36. If the student is from the second bus, then X is going to be equal to the 40. And if the student is from the third bus, X is going to be equal to the 44. So we need to find the average value of the X. So in order to do this, we need to find the all possible values of this X. So X is going to be the number of the students from the bus where the student is coming, right? So this might take either the value 36, either 40, either 44. And now we need to find the probabilities. So what is the probability that X is going to take these 36? So there are 100 students and all put together in one row. Probability that the student is from the first bus is going to be the number of the students in the first bus divided to the overall number of the students. It's going to be 36 over 120. Probability that the student is from the second bus is going to be 40 divided to the 120. And probability that the student is from the third bus is going to be 44 divided to the 120. So, and now finding the expected value of the X is really a technical problem, right? Because we know that in order to find the expected value of some random variable, we have to multiply the value of the random variable to its corresponding probability. And at the end, we just need to sum them. So this is going to be, in this case, 36 times 36 over 120 plus 40 times 40 divided to the 120 plus 44 times 44 divided to the 120. So if we do the calculations, it's going to be 36 times, we can divide 12, right? By 12, it's going to be 3 over 12, 10. Plus, it's going to be 40 times 1 over 3 plus 44 times 11 over 30 if we divide everything by 4. So it's going to be equal to 1208 divided to the 30 if we give the common denominator, right? So I'm going to multiply this to the 10 and here to the 3. So it is going to be equal to the 40.2667. So what does it mean? It means that if we choose one of the students, the average number of the students in the bus, in that bus, is going to be equal to 40.26. The interesting part of this problem is that we have 120 students, and if we divide them into the three buses, it is going to be equal to the 40, right? So while the expected value of this random variable is going to be equal to the more than 40, this is equal to the 40.2667. So this is happening because one of the buses have more than 40 students. So that is why we're taking this average value. So Okay, so this is how we need to calculate the expected value for a problem. So in our next lectures, we're going to discuss about the calculations of the variance for such problems.